In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a portfolio in Campaign Manager on Amazon. Now, firstly, you want to go to your Seller Central homepage and go to the Campaign Manager. And from here, you want to go to Portfolios, which is the top left, and I believe I'm blocking it. So let me move myself out of the way. Brilliant. Top left, Portfolios. You want to scroll down to Create a Portfolio, and we'll call this Oak Table. I've got Oak Chairs, we'll call it Oak Table. If my E would be working, there we go. Brilliant. Now, you've got two ways on how you can add campaigns here. Well, firstly, you can create a campaign here, create a campaign, big in blue, and then you can add a campaign or add existing campaigns to this portfolio. You want to scroll across and click add on any campaign that relates to the portfolio. And if you've got thousands of campaigns and you don't want to go through it one by one, you can just type in Oak Table and it will come up with a list. I don't have any, but it will come up with a list of all the Oak Table campaigns. Hopefully you've named your campaigns right so you can keep track of everything and add or take away from portfolios. Yeah, really simple. Now, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Cheers.